Welcome back to our edpm class, and we're going to continue talking about using punctuation while typing, but we're going to focus on the hyphen, the dash, and the ellipses. So let's get into today's lesson by starting off with the hyphen. Now, what is the purpose, or what are the purpose of a hyphen? It is used to join two or more related words. It is used to show the division of a word at the end of a sentence. And take note that there's no space placed before or after the hyphen. So when you're typing a hyphen, there's no space before or after typing a hyphen. Let's get into the examples of using a hyphen. Look at this sentence here and let's read it together. My father-in-law is coming over for lunch. If you notice or you look at the word father-in-law, it is joined up by using hyphens. And the reason why we use those words by join them by using a hyphen is because those words are related together. If we didn't have a hyphen there, it would be the meaning of the sentence would have probably changed, because we would have saw the word father as one word, the word in as another word, and the word law as another word. But by using hyphens, it put the word together as one word. So we'll know that we're talking about the noun father-in-law rather than having three separate words, and that might cause confusion when someone is reading a sentence. Let's look at another example here. Developing the art of effective communication. If you notice here that the word effective couldn't hold on the screen, so we had to continue it in the next line, and by doing that we use a hyphen. The hyphen indicate that the word is continue in the other line. So remember that we place no spaces before or after typing a hyphen. So let's continue our lesson by looking at the dash. Now, what is the purpose of a dash? A dash is used to further explain a statement. A hyphen is used to create a dash by inserting one space before and after a hyphen. So to create a dash, we use a hyphen. But unlike a hyphen, we place a space before and after the hyphen to create a dash. And the main purpose of a dash is to give more explanation to a statement or a word or so forth, something within a sentence. So let's look at the example of using a dash. Let's read the example here. The girl, dressed in blue and white, is on her way to the ball. Let's read again. The girl, dressed in blue and white, is on her way to the ball. You have noticed that their hyphen plays a two part of the sentence here. So let's read the first part, the girl. The sentence is talking about a girl, and then they place a dash there. And then it further explain dressed in blue and white, because if we say the girl, it could mean a lot of girls. We could be referring to a lot of girls. But it's further explaining, that dash there is further explaining the girl that is dressed in blue and white. Also, they place a dash after that group of words as well too, to further explain why she's dressed in blue and white, because she's on her way to the ball. So I hope you guys understand why and how we use the dash. It is used to explain or give further explanation to a statement. So finally, in today's lesson, we're going to be looking at the ellipses. Now, ellipsis is a fancy word to say, won't you say? So what are the purpose of an ellipsis? Now, it is used in place of a text that has been intentionally deleted. Intentionally means purposely deleted. Three space or unspaced full stops are used in creating an ellipsis. So it's saying here you could use three full stops without space or three full stops with space to create an ellipsis. And the reason why we use an ellipsis to show words that has been deleted from a sentence. Let's look at the example here. The taxi driver detoured. The passenger did not complain. So in this sentence here, we place the ellipsis after the word detoured, and we could understand what this sentence is saying. So we use an ellipsis to delete word, but still have you could still get the meaning from the sentence. We could say that the taxi driver detoured from whatever, and the passenger did not complain. So let's look at the sentence before we use the ellipsis. The taxi driver detoured from the main road, and the passenger did not complain. The words in green were the words that were intentionally deleted. And if you read it, this sentence and the sentence before, you will still have the same idea. So using ellipses are like deleting unnecessary words from a sentence. So after we deleted those unnecessary words, we place the ellipsis, the three full stops, either space or unspace, and the sentence will still have the same meaning. The taxi driver detoured. We deleted from the main road. The passenger did not complain. We still have the same idea what the original sentence was saying. That brings us to the end of today's lesson. I hope that you guys understand what was being taught today, that you will do your own research, and that you will stay safe. I will see you in the next class.